road's still alive. Can you hear it? No, he's not alive now. He got it down.
Was macht er?
Fressen.
Fressen?
Wow.
Der hat die Knochen
Oh ja, siehst du
zermalt.
es da links wieder? Siehst du das? Und vorne, der ist beim Boot Spitze. Siehst du den Schwanz, der da rausschaut?
Ja. Oh.
Da ist er,
Yeah, he's coming back into the water.
Ja, jetzt ist er im Wasser.
Needs some water to get those feathers down.
Yeah, look at him.
I hope he
Wow.
don't think that we want to have the bird.
Yeah.
Well, he's I think his hunger is satisfied right now. What do you think? Hello, everybody.
I hope so.
Thanks for showing us, Ryan.
Yeah,
That's very cool.
He can't bellow. He can't.
No, he's got a mouthful. Be careful not to push my kayak closer, because I'm about to hit the alligator. His tail is right here, right next to my kayak.
Yeah.
That's nature up close. Can't get too much closer than that. That's great. I love it.
I guess his appetite was increased from mating.
Yeah. Never know what you're going to see on a mangrove tunnel tour with Everglades Area Tours.
Here he comes, coming up again.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's still trying to get it down.
Yep.
Look at him. Wow.
So he's about to go.
Yeah, he's about got it down. Look at him.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Look, he's sticking his tail up out of the water.
Yeah. Look at the tail.
Yeah.
Was ist der Unterschied zwischen Alligator?
Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Gator.
He's missing some ridge there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, he's had a little fight. You can see on his tail right there. But they always do. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Gator.
He's drinking water now.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow.
No, he's still in his mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a big meal, trying to get that down.
Yeah.
You know, because he swallowed that thing whole.
Yeah.
He did not tear it apart.
Nope.
Very nice. Very nice. Thanks, Ryan.
Bet.
Got that all on video.
Awesome.
I'm going to get one more picture of him before I go by.
Yeah, that's a good.
Get a nice big smile. Smile! Thank you so much, Mr. Gator. Wasn't that cool? Did you get all that on video? Yeah? Outstanding. Excellent. Very good. This does not happen on every tour. I guarantee you. You got a good show.
Okay.
Yeah.